Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a Touring L Plus. This is a velvet red in color with the nice alloy wheels. It does have blind spot monitoring, backup camera, and backup sensors. It also has all your controls for the mirror and the windows. 8-way power, 4-way lumbar. It only has 57,257 miles on it. It does have the nice 8.4 radio screen with navigation, and it does have on the bottom of the rear view mirror, it has the SOS and assist for 911 for roadside assistance. It does have the nice two-tone alloy and taupe interior. On the back seat it does have buckets, and on the back here we do have our 10-inch DVD players. So you have dual DVD players. Here's the one on the behind the passenger seat, and then you have seating in the third row for 3. And this is a complete stow and go, so all seats lay down totally flat, so you can get a 4x8 sheet of plywood in there. It does have rear controls for the AC and air and heat, right up over there. And it does have shades in the back. All 4 windows in the back do have the shades. This is an awesome vehicle. It's going to be certified, which means it'll have up to 7-year, 100,000 on the powertrain, an additional 3 months or 3,000 on the bumper to bumper, with an extended warranty, very reasonably priced, available. Please call Theresa here at Firkins for more information. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. This is a beautiful van, and you've got to come and see it.